Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The precision of the cut is paramount. Uniform slicing ensures even cooking, guaranteeing that every chip achieves perfect, consistent crispness.
Each batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how potato chips are made. Fix safe from start to finish.